Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to fix the green screen on your Xbox One. So let's go ahead and jump to the video right now. Now for step one, go ahead and turn off your Xbox One by holding down the power button right here. And then we're going to completely hard reset everything. So I'm going to unplug the HDMI cable and then the power cord as well. And I'm going to leave this unplugged for about 1 to 2 minutes. Also, try a different HDMI cable. Maybe this is the problem. So you take the Xbox One in, plug this into the TV, and take the TV in and plug into here if you do not have an extra cable. But definitely try that. Then do the same thing on your TV. Take the HDMI cable, unplug this. Then we're going to unplug the TV as well. So I'm going to turn off my power strip, and then wait a minute, and then turn this back on. So if doing a hard reset didn't work, go ahead and launch your Xbox One into the troubleshooting menu. And to do this, we want to completely turn it off so there's no light on the front here and it's not in the instant on mode or power state. Then when it's completely turned off, hold down the eject button and the sync button right here and hold these down at the same time. Then what we're going to do is hold down the Xbox button right here and we're going to keep holding this down for about 20 seconds. So after about 18 seconds, we're going to hear a beep. Then about 2 seconds later, we'll hear another beep. Then we can go ahead and let go. So I heard a beep. I'm going to hold this down a little bit longer. And I should hear another beep. There's the second beep. I'm going to go ahead and let go. Our Xbox One is going to launch into the troubleshooting mode. Now in the troubleshooting mode, there's two different things that we can do. We can go to xbox.com/xbox1/offline update. And then we can place the update on a USB device and plug into our Xbox, and we can update the system via that way. Otherwise, we can go to reset this Xbox, restore default settings right here, and we can erase all accounts, save games, settings, and home Xbox associations, but keep installed games. We could try that, or we could remove everything. Otherwise, we can just simply go to continue. Now, I believe this will put your Xbox One into a lower resolution. So if there is an issue with the resolution, we can go ahead and just downgrade it by launching to the troubleshooting mode. So you can see the bars on the top and the bottom, and then we will have to go ahead and change this in the settings. So to get it back to normal, go to settings right here. Then under general, we want to go to TV and display options, and then we have resolution right here. We can bump it back up to 4K or whatever you had it at, and go to keep. Now we are at our maximum resolution. Now another thing under this menu we could do is go over to video and fidelity, overscan, and then go to overrides and go to auto detect recommended. Then go to video fidelity and just try changing this. I'm going to go up to 36-bit per pixel, 12-bit, and then change this around. And then you can back out and go to video modes, and you could try enabling some of the settings under here. So I'm just going to go ahead and check mark everything. Auto low latency, allow 50 Hertz, allow HDR10, allow 4K. Now another thing you do is go to your TV settings. So I have a Fire TV. I'm going to go to picture, and I'm going to go ahead and simply reset my picture options, or you can go ahead and just reset your TV options completely. And maybe there's a setting in your TV that's causing this issue. Just go ahead and reset your picture options and see if that works as well. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.